day 2. I think that today I want to make, I've actually wanted to make for a while, magwinya. I couldn't find a recipe that was as close to what I used to eat growing up, Kobotswana, but I was able to find a Nigerian puff recipe, and that's what I think I'm going to do today. So that's going to involve making dough and having it rise. Now my concern is I don't know if I want to deep fry something because I don't even have that kind of oil here. So why am I talking about bread? Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, so it's day 2. I just uploaded the first episode, and today was Wednesday, February 3rd. And on Wednesdays of the 1st of every month, me and my friends try to have like a fast together as like a religious practice. And I completely forgot about that. And I always only remember when I realize that I'm trying to like cook some delicious thing that same day. So I'm going to be very hungry and low energy today. What are you doing? My cat is grabbing my hand right now. Is she not like this? She's like my size. She's like as big as I am. So yeah, I don't know if this is even gonna go in the video, but here we are, and welcome to day 2. So I start off by adding like warm water and sugar and yeast. So this is like where you proof the yeast. I can't remember the exact reason why, but I don't know, it's really fun looking at the yeast like turning into bubbles, and it's crazy because it's like an actual living thing, which is like wild AF to me. Then you wait for 5 minutes, and then it starts bubbling, and then while you're doing that, you mix the dry ingredients together, like with the sugar and salt. And the woman in the recipe was like, add nutmeg, so here I am. I just do as I am told. So then you mix the things together. Yeah. I put the water in the container just to make sure that I'm getting like all the yeast out, because it's very useful. Then when I'm done doing that, mix it all together, and it's really satisfying when it all kind of comes together. For some reason, this dough was like weirdly sticky, so I had to add a lot of flour. And then I warm up an old cloth, a clean cloth, and cover it for like an hour or so. Then it's time to put in the oil and I guess like fry it up. I can't believe I used all this oil. It like hurts my soul, but here we are. And then you make little dough balls with your sticky ass hands, and that is how you make magwinya, aka puff, aka vetkoek, aka everything, I guess. Did you see Chrissy Teigen got in trouble today?
With what?
Because she tweeted like I think she tweeted like, what's the most expensive thing you've accidentally eaten or something like that. And then she was like, there was this time I was at a restaurant, and then this like waiter like surprised us with like a bottle of wine that he was like, this is really good, you should check it out, only for it to be like $10,000.
Oh, okay.
And everyone was like, do you realize there's a COVID?
Yeah.
Like, do you realize like people can't pay off their like mortgage? Like,
also, do you realize this is not something that probably applies to most people?
I know.
You're not in a situation where you're not ever in a situation where the restaurant you're at could possibly dream of having $10,000.
That's such a good point. I didn't even think of that. That didn't even occur to me. That's how poor I am. It didn't even occur to me. that's how you make puff puff, aka fried dough balls, aka magwinya, aka vet cook. Yeah.